In the heart of Bamboo Bay, lanterns were being hung in every tree, doorway, and window. It was the night of the annual Lantern Festival, the brightest night of the year. Polymath Panda skipped through the market square, his glasses reflecting the golden glow of the lanterns. Beside him trotted Llama, carrying a bundle of blank paper lanterns. When they reached the lantern workshop, the mayor looked worried. "Oh dear, we've run out of designs. All we have left are plain lanterns." Luna frowned. "But the festival won't be as magical without patterns and colors." Panda smiled. "Then we'll make our own, and let's take inspiration from traditions around the world." They set up a big table in the center of the square. Luna painted cherry blossoms on her lantern, inspired by Japan's spring festivals. Ziggy Zebra decorated his with bright suns and moons, just like the ones from South American celebrations. Milo Monkey made a giant banana-shaped lantern, of course. Professor Howell carefully drew stars and swirls to honor the night sky. As they worked, Panda explained, in some places, people write wishes on their lanterns before sending them into the sky. In others, lanterns guide travelers home. By evening, the lanterns were ready. They lit them one by one, the flames glowing warmly inside the colorful designs. "Ready?" Panda called. 3, 2, 1, let them fly! Hundreds of lanterns floated up, swirling together in the night air. The whole sky glowed with color and light. The townsfolk cheered, pointing to their lanterns as they drifted higher and higher. "Best lantern festival ever," Luna said with a happy sigh. Panda smiled. "When we share our ideas and traditions, the world becomes brighter, just like tonight." If you liked making colorful lanterns with us, you'll love the Christmas coloring book. It's filled with festive scenes you can bring to life with your own colors. The link's below so you can start creating.
If you'd like more stories, check out our other books.
Thanks for joining today's adventure with Polymath Panda and friends. If your child loved this story, they'll discover even more fun with our Polymath Panda activity books. From math puzzles and reading challenges to coloring pages and spelling games, every book is designed to make learning exciting. You'll see just a few of our books on the screen. Just scan the QR code to explore the whole collection on Amazon. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the best adventures begin with a story. Hey there! If you enjoyed this story and are eager for more, I have some exciting news for you. Dive into a treasure trove of engaging tales and fun reading comprehension practice with the popular book, 3rd Grade Reading Comprehension by Polymath Panda. It's a fantastic resource that will spark your imagination and enhance your reading skills all at once. You can find it on Amazon. Just check out the link in the description below. Happy reading, and I can't wait to see you on our next adventure. Don't forget to follow or subscribe for more amazing content.